Are you ready to take action and start building your bigger email list? Discover how to build an email list with YouTube in 8 days. Picture. Send and profit simple email business model. Step-by-step guide. Set and forget business model. Perfect for beginners. Works for any type of business. A solid and dependable method that has been working for many years and will continue to work in the future. A step-by-step guide to help you build an email list with YouTube. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. List building and email marketing. Promoting offers to your list. Developing your list building plan. Leveraging your list. Learn the secrets of building your email list. Write emails that will inspire your audience to take action. Create an opt-in page in most effective ways. Set up your email autoresponder so that you can grow an email list that gets clicks and converts into sales. Build a relationship with your list. Understand what exactly email marketing is and why you should build an email list. Make a video and upload it to YouTube. Build large email lists with YouTube advertising. Who needs this step-by-step guide? Picture. You want to stop failing with internet marketing. Picture. You want to find new method. Picture. You want to be motivated to take daily action. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1. Learn how to use banner ads to build an email list. Inside this ebook, you'll discover the topics about banner ad basics. Choose a great punchline, make sure you have great copy, use attention words like free and new, including logos and URLs, use attention-grabbing graphics. Fast action bonus number 2. Indeed, the money is in the list. That's why you decided to build your own email list, but as you go along, building a list is not just your task that you have to take care of. There is the concern of how to make your list conversion increase and most of all how to keep your list intact or at least you have low number of attrition. Well, if you will look to other business model, attrition is normal, but if you will handle your list quite well, you can decrease its numbers and make more money from it. We have a full 30-day money-back guarantee. But I will provide a refund in special circumstances. You have to show that you applied the method and failed to make money. In other cases, no refund under any circumstances.